tiny little artists. Today, we are going to draw a super cute rainbow with two adorable clouds, one happy and one sad. Are you ready?
Yay!
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your markers and let's start drawing. Let's begin by drawing a straight vertical line right in the middle of our paper. This will divide our drawing into two parts. Now, on one side of the line, let's draw a big, fluffy cloud. But wait, this cloud is feeling a little sad. Let's give it two teardrop eyes and a little frown. Ah, and don't forget to add some raindrops falling from it. Now, let's move to the other side. Here, we will draw another fluffy cloud, but this one is happy.
La da 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 dee.
Let's give her two bright, smiley eyes and a big cheerful smile. Ah, she looks so happy. Great job! Now, let's draw 7 beautiful arcs connecting both clouds. These arcs will form our rainbow. Keep drawing. 1, 2, 3. Wow, that looks amazing. Nice job, everyone. Our rainbow is complete. Look at it, our happy cloud is smiling and our sad cloud is crying. But wait! Let's make the outlines bold and sharp to make our drawing pop. Wow! It looks like our rainbow is dancing.
Yay!
Now, the fun part, let's bring our rainbow to life with colors. Let's start with the rainbow first. Blue color.
Wow!
Pink color. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Blue color. Dark gray color. Golden color. Gray color. Silver color. White color. Wow! Look at our rainbow. It's colorful, happy, happy and a little sad too. But that's what makes it special. Great job, little artists! Don't forget to share your drawings with us and keep practicing.
Yay!
See you in the next video. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.